Good morning, dear students. Today let us discuss about the conservative force and the concept of potential energy. We know that a force is said to be conservative if work done by it is independent of path, or a force is said to be conservative if the work done by it in moving a particle from one point to another point depends only on these points. That is, the work done depends only on the end points and not on the path followed. Okay, then that type of force is known as conservative force. So the region in which the particle experiences a conservative force is called a conservative force field. We know that gravitation force is a conservative force field. So gravitational field is also a conservative force field. All forces are not conservative forces. For example, frictional force, it is not a conservative force. Okay. So suppose we are taking an object from A to B through the path P and taking the particle from A to B through the point Q. So if the force acting is conservative, then the work done to take a particle from A to B is independent of the path. That is, whether we take the particle A to B through the path P or taking the particle from A to B through the path Q, the work will be the same. Or we can write an equation from A to B through the path APB F dot dr. It is nothing but the work done to take a particle from A to B through the path P. That should be equal to integral A to B through the path AQB. Here F dot dr. Here we are taking the particle from A to B through the path Q. So the work done is given by A to B through ACB F dot dr. So this is work done. So these should be equal because ultimately we are taking the particle from A to B. Work done is independent of path and it depends upon the endpoint. So in both cases, the endpoint is A and B. So it should be equal according to the definition of the conservative force. Okay. So the region in which the particle experiences a conservative force is called a conservative force field. For a conservative force, the work done along a closed path is always zero. For a conservative force field, the work done to take a particle along a closed path. Suppose we are taking from A to B, again B to A, then the total work done to take a particle through a closed path is equal to 0. Okay, this is an application of this, that is work done is independent of path. So using this property we can prove that for in a conservative force field the work done around a closed path is always 0.